Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the seventh lesson in chemistry. The name of lesson is Elements of Group 16, 17 and 18th. Last year we studied elements of group 1st and 2nd and elements of group 13, 14 and 15. This year 12th standard syllabus is changed and new topic added in it. Now we will learn lesson in detail. Group 16, 17 and 18 element belong to p block. Elements in which last electron enters the p orbital of atom are called p block element. We take any one element from p block. For example, carbon. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. The last electron enters the p orbital. The last electron enters the p orbital. That's why carbon is located at the p block. The elements in which last electron enters in p orbital, these elements located in p block. P block elements are located at extreme right side of the periodic table. Let's see the occurrence of group 16 element. Group 16 of the periodic table includes 5 elements, namely oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. The first 4 elements, that is oxygen, sulfur, selenium and tellurium, are called as chalcogens and ore-forming elements. Group 16 is also called as oxygen family. Oxygen is the most abundant element on Earth. Oxygen forms 20.95% by volume of air and about 46.6% mass of Earth crust. Sulfur occurs mainly in combined form sulfates such as gypsum, Epsom salt, barite and barite. In sulfate, sulfur combined with oxygen. Sulfides such as galena, zinc blende and copper pyrites. Selenium and tellurium are also found as metal selenides and tellurides in sulfide ores. Polonium, which is radioactive decay product of thorium and uranium. This all about group 16 element. Then group 17 element. Group 17 of the periodic table includes 5 elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. These are collectively known as halogens. Halogens are very reactive due to high electronegativities and they are not found in free state. They occur in the form of compounds. Fluorine occurs mainly as insoluble fluorides. And also small quantity of fluorine are present in soil, river, water plants, bones and teeth of animals. Seawater contains chlorides, bromides, iodides of sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium, but it mainly contains sodium chloride solution. The deposits of dried up seabed contain sodium chloride and carnallite. The dried sodium chloride is a salt. Then group 18th, the element helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon are the group 18th element. They form very few compounds, but that's why they termed as noble gases. Noble gases except radon occur in the atmosphere. The main commercial source of helium is natural gas. Helium and neon are found in minerals of radioactive origin. For example, pitchblende, monazite, cleveite. Xenon and radon are the rarest element of groups. Then next is the electronic configuration of elements of group 16, 17 and 18th. First, electronic configuration of group 16 element, oxygen family. In this chart, group 16 element is written and their electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of group 16 element is NS2 NP4. In 11th standard, we study how to find electronic configuration of all element in chapter 4th, structure of atom. Then second is the electronic configuration of group 17th. The general electronic configuration of group 17th element is NS2 NP5. And third one is the electronic configuration of group 18th. The general electronic configuration of group 18th element is NS2 NP6. Understand? Now start the atomic and physical property of elements of group 16, 17 and 18th. First, atomic properties of group 16, 17 and 18th. First property is the atomic and ionic radii. In group top to bottom, atomic size increases. In group top to bottom, atomic size increases. This is due to increase in number of quantum shells. And in period left to right, atomic size decreases with increasing atomic number because addition of electron in the stem shell. Understand? First property, atomic and ionic radii. Then second property is the ionization enthalpy. Then what is meant by ionization enthalpy? It is the amount of energy required to remove the electron from isolated gaseous atom. Suppose A is the gaseous atom. Electron is removed from this gaseous atom, then it converted into gaseous आयन. गैसियस एटम से इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव करने के लिए जो एनर्जी सप्लाई करनी पड़ती है, जो एनर्जी देनी पड़ती है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी. समझ में आया? इन ग्रुप टॉप टू बॉटम एटॉमिक साइज increases. In group top to bottom atomic size increases. न्यूक्लियस का जो डिस्टेंस है बाहर वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन से वो बढ़ता जा रहा है. मीन्स न्यूक्लियस की इलेक्ट्रॉन को खींचने की जो क्षमता है, इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को खींचने की जो क्षमता है वो कम हो जा रही है. जितनी ताकत से पहले वाला न्यूक्लियस इलेक्ट्रॉन को खींच सकता है, उतनी ताकत से लास्ट वाला एटम न्यूक्लियस इलेक्ट्रॉन को खींच नहीं पाएगा. तो जो वो बड़ा वाला न्यूक्लियस है उसका इलेक्ट्रॉन इजीली रिमूव हो जाता है, उसको ज़्यादा एनर्जी नहीं देनी पड़ती. इसलिए टॉप टू बॉटम आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी डिक्रीजेस. From top to bottom, ionization enthalpy decreases with increasing atomic size. But in period left to right, atomic size decreases. जैसे एटम की साइज कम होती जा रही है, वैसे न्यूक्लियस और इलेक्ट्रॉन है उसका डिस्टेंस कम होता जा रहा है. न्यूक्लियस इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ ज़्यादा ताकत से खींच पाता है, इसलिए इस शेल में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिमूव करने के लिए हमें ज़्यादा एनर्जी सप्लाई करनी पड़ती है, इसलिए इन पीरियड लेफ्ट टू राइट आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी डिक्रीजेस. अंडरस्टैंड? The elements of group 16 have lower ionization enthalpy values compared to group 15. This is because extra stable half-filled electronic configuration of group 15. The general electronic configuration of group 15 is ns2 np3. p ऑर्बिटल में 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. That's why they acquire extra half-filled stability. Understand? Ionization enthalpy. Then third property is the electronegativity. What is meant by electronegativity? The ability of covalently bonded atom to attract shared electron towards itself. इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ खींचने की जो क्षमता है, जो ताकत है, उसे कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी. इन ग्रुप टॉप टू बॉटम एटॉमिक साइज इंक्रीजेस. जैसे जैसे एटॉमिक साइज इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है वैसे न्यूक्लियस और बाहर वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन का डिस्टेंस भी बढ़ता जा रहा है. इसीलिए ये लास्ट वाला एटम है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ ज़्यादा ताकत से खींच नहीं पाता है, इसीलिए टॉप टू बॉटम इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिक्रीजेस. एंड इन पीरियड लेफ्ट टू राइट atomic size decrease. These atom attracts electron towards itself and electronegativity increases left to right in period. Okay, understand? Now study the fourth atomic property, electron gain enthalpy. Then what is mean by electron gain enthalpy? The enthalpy changes that takes place when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom in its ground state is called electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy में क्या है? Electron is added and in ionization enthalpy में energy required to remove electron. ये जो दो कॉन्सेप्ट है उसे आप याद रखना. Now during the addition of electron there could be two possibilities of energies. Either energy is given out or energy is absorbed. There is sign convention that will be following for electron gain enthalpy. If energy is released by atom by accepting an electron, they could be termed as negative, and we have to supply energy to make electron go inside the atom, they could be as positive. Means all metals have electron rich and all non-metals are electron sick. non-metals क्या करते हैं? उनके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन कम होते हैं तो वो इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ खींचने की क्षमता ज़्यादा रखते हैं. जो बाहर वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन को खींचने के लिए वो अपने एनर्जी रिलीज करते हैं, इसलिए नॉन मेटल्स हैव नेगेटिव गेन एंथैल्पी. एनर्जी रिलीज जब एटम एनर्जी रिलीज करता है बाय एक्सेप्टिंग एन इलेक्ट्रॉन, दे टर्म्ड एज नेगेटिव साइन. एंड in metals they have large number of electrons. That's why they termed as positive gain enthalpy. All non-metals termed as negative gain enthalpy. Understood? In group 16 and 17, electron gain enthalpy becomes less negative down the group. In group 16, oxygen has less negative electron gain enthalpy than sulfur, ड्यू टू स्मॉल एटॉमिक साइज। ऑक्सीजन का एटॉमिक ए है ऑक्सीजन, देन दिस इज द सल्फर। ए बाहर वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन है, उसको ऐड करना है, गेन करना है। तो जो ऑक्सीजन का साइज कम है, इसलिए ऑक्सीजन अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा देगा इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ खींचने के लिए। एज कंपेयर टू ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर हैज have high atomic size. That's why sulfur cannot accept electron towards itself. Means in group 16 oxygen have less electron gain enthalpy than sulfur. Same in group 17, fluorine have less electron gain enthalpy than chlorine due to small size of fluorine atom. In group 18 have no tendency to accept electron because stable electronic configuration. Thus, they have large positive electron gain enthalpy. Understand? Today, we will stop here.